The ocean is not just water. It is Earth's largest climate regulator, a vast dynamic system, silently shaping the air we breathe, the temperature we feel, and the future we face. Welcome to the hidden world of ocean carbon pumps. The ocean functions as a global climate control system. It stores nearly 50 times more carbon than the atmosphere. And each year, it absorbs close to 30% of human carbon dioxide emissions. Through complex physical and biological processes, the ocean continuously absorbs, stores, and redistributes carbon dioxide, maintaining a delicate planetary balance. The importance of the ocean is difficult to overstate. It covers most of Earth's surface and supports nearly 95% of the biosphere. It absorbs about a quarter of global carbon dioxide emissions and more than 90% of excess heat trapped in the climate system. Without the ocean, Earth's climate would be radically different, hotter, more unstable, and far less capable of sustaining life as we know it. The ocean is not just water. It is Earth's largest climate regulator, a vast dynamic system, silently shaping the air we breathe, the temperature we feel, and the future we face. Welcome to the hidden world of ocean carbon pumps. The ocean functions as a global climate control system. It stores nearly 50 times more carbon than the atmosphere. And each year, it absorbs close to 30% of human carbon dioxide emissions. Through complex physical and biological processes, the ocean continuously absorbs, stores, and redistributes carbon dioxide, maintaining a delicate planetary balance. The importance of the ocean is difficult to overstate. It covers most of Earth's surface and supports nearly 95% of the biosphere. It absorbs about a quarter of global carbon dioxide emissions and more than 90% of excess heat trapped in the climate system. Without the ocean, Earth's climate would be radically different, hotter, more unstable, and far less capable of sustaining life as we know it. The scale of carbon storage in the ocean is immense. The world's oceans hold nearly 38,000 billion tons of carbon. This is more than 28 times the amount stored in all land vegetation and the atmosphere combined. It makes the ocean the largest active carbon reservoir on the planet. But how does this carbon reach the deep ocean and remain there? It does so through two major pathways known as carbon pumps. The first is the solubility pump, a physical process driven by temperature and ocean circulation. The second is the biological pump, a far more complex system involving living organisms and a cascade of biological, chemical, and geological interactions. Together, these two pumps move carbon from the surface into the deep ocean, where it can be stored for centuries or even thousands of years. They are quiet, continuous, and essential processes sustaining Earth's climate balance. One of the most powerful mechanisms for storing carbon in the ocean is the solubility pump. This process begins in the colder regions of the planet, far from the equator. Cold water has a greater capacity to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. As surface waters cool, they take in more carbon dioxide, becoming rich in dissolved carbon. At the same time, these colder waters become denser than the warmer waters below. This increase in density causes them to sink slowly into the deep ocean. As they descend, they carry with them vast amounts of dissolved carbon. Once in the deep ocean, this carbon can remain isolated from the atmosphere for hundreds, even thousands of years. The process is slow, but immensely effective. Over time, it transfers large quantities of carbon from the surface to the ocean's depths. In doing so, the solubility pump acts as a powerful carbon sink, helping regulate atmospheric carbon dioxide and stabilizing Earth's climate. The second major pathway is the biological carbon pump. Unlike the solubility pump, this process is driven by life itself, beginning at the sunlit surface of the ocean. Here, microscopic plants known as phytoplankton use sunlight to photosynthesize. In doing so, they absorb carbon dioxide and convert it into organic matter. As carbon dioxide levels decrease in surface waters, the ocean can absorb even more from the atmosphere. This simple process, repeated across vast ocean surfaces, drives a powerful global cycle. Phytoplankton form the base of the marine food web. They are consumed by zooplankton, which are then eaten by larger organisms. Through feeding, growth, and reproduction, carbon moves through this intricate web of life. Some of this carbon is recycled near the surface, but a portion begins a slow descent into the deep ocean. When organisms die or produce waste, tiny particles of organic matter sink downward. This steady fall, often called marine snow, carries carbon into the depths. As these particles pass through the ocean's twilight zone, a region extending from about 100 to 1,000 meters, much of the carbon is consumed and converted back into carbon dioxide. Yet some fraction survives the journey. It continues downward, eventually reaching depths beyond 500 meters. At this point, the carbon is effectively sequestered, removed from the atmosphere for hundreds or even thousands of years. The twilight zone plays a critical role in determining how much carbon reaches the deep ocean and how long it remains stored. Through this continuous cycle, the biological carbon pump transfers vast amounts of carbon from the atmosphere into the deep sea. It is a dynamic, living system operating at scales essential to the stability of Earth's climate. Hidden beneath the ocean's surface, another remarkable process is at work. It is known as Diel vertical migration, the largest daily movement of life on Earth. Each evening, as darkness falls, vast numbers of marine organisms rise from the deep. From the ocean's twilight zone, they travel upward toward the surface waters. Here, they feed on phytoplankton and other smaller organisms under the cover of night. As dawn approaches, they descend once again, returning to the depths. This daily journey, repeated across the global ocean, plays a crucial role in the movement of carbon. By feeding near the surface and migrating back downward, these organisms actively transport carbon into deeper layers of the ocean. Some of this carbon is released through respiration, some through waste, and some when organisms die and sink further into the deep sea. In this way, living creatures become carriers, moving carbon from the surface into the ocean's interior. It is a continuous, rhythmic process linking biological behavior with the global carbon cycle. The ocean is not just a reservoir of water, it is a regulator of life on Earth. Through its vast and interconnected systems, it prevents extreme warming and stabilizes the planet's temperature. It absorbs enormous amounts of heat, redistributing it across the globe and moderating climate patterns. At the same time, it plays a vital role in sustaining life, producing nearly half of the oxygen in the atmosphere. In many ways, the ocean functions as the planet's life support system. Its influence extends far beyond its boundaries, shaping weather, climate, and the conditions necessary for life to thrive. But what would happen if these carbon-regulating processes did not exist? Without the ocean's carbon pumps, atmospheric carbon dioxide levels would be far higher. In fact, they could be nearly double what they are today. The Earth would resemble a very different world, one not seen for tens of millions of years, a world with little or no ice, significantly higher sea levels, and much warmer global temperatures. Such conditions would challenge ecosystems, disrupt weather systems, and alter the balance of life on this planet. The ocean's ability to absorb, store, and regulate carbon is therefore not just important, it is essential. Today, the stability of the ocean's carbon system is under increasing pressure. Rising global temperatures are warming the oceans, altering their structure and behavior. As sea surface temperatures increase, the ability of the ocean to absorb carbon dioxide begins to change. Warmer waters hold less dissolved gas, weakening one of the planet's most important carbon sinks. At the same time, heat absorbed by the ocean is driving the melting of ice sheets and glaciers, contributing to rising sea levels. These changes are reshaping ocean circulation and disrupting long-established climate patterns. Another visible consequence is the growing occurrence of algal blooms. Fueled by warmer temperatures and excess nutrients, these blooms can spread rapidly across coastal waters. While they may appear as signs of biological activity, their impacts are often harmful. Many algal blooms reduce oxygen levels in the water, creating conditions that threaten marine life. Some produce toxins affecting fish, marine mammals, and even human health. Beneath these changes, a deeper concern is emerging. Phytoplankton, the microscopic foundation of the ocean's carbon system, are showing signs of stress. As temperatures rise and ocean conditions shift, their efficiency in capturing carbon may decline. In some cases, they may even shift from acting as carbon sinks to becoming sources of carbon dioxide. Such a transformation would have profound consequences because these tiny organisms support entire marine food webs and influence the global climate system. Small changes at this level can scale upward, affecting ecosystems, economies, and the future stability of the planet. Hidden beneath the ocean's surface, another remarkable process is at work. It is known as Diel vertical migration, the largest daily movement of life on Earth. Each evening, as darkness falls, vast numbers of marine organisms rise from the deep. From the ocean's twilight zone, they travel upward toward the surface waters. Here, they feed on phytoplankton and other smaller organisms under the cover of night. As dawn approaches, they descend once again, returning to the depths. This daily journey, repeated across the global ocean, plays a crucial role in the movement of carbon. By feeding near the surface and migrating back downward, these organisms actively transport carbon into deeper layers of the ocean. Some of this carbon is released through respiration, some through waste, and some when organisms die and sink further into the deep sea. In this way, living creatures become carriers, moving carbon from the surface into the ocean's interior. It is a continuous, rhythmic process linking biological behavior with the global carbon cycle,